Good morning, children. Today we will discuss two other important metallurgical industries, which are fertilizer industry and cement industry. Fertilizer industry and industry. So the fertilizer, coming to the first one, the fertilizer industry. This is centered around the production of nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea. Those who are the agriculturists or farmers, those who are living nearby the agriculture field, we know that urea is used for the agricultural purposes. Okay, so here wherever these industries are located around the production centers of nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea, then phosphate fertilizers and ammonium fertilizers. This is in short we often say DAP. Okay, and complex fertilizers which have a combination of nitrogen, phosphate and potash. We often say in physics and other science subjects NPK mixture. Okay, so these industries are fertilizer industries are located nearby these areas. Now here potash, the third one, potash, that means the nitrogen, phosphate and potash. Among this third, potash is entirely imported as the country does not have any reserves of commercially usable potash or potassium compounds in any form. So these products like nitrogen, phosphate and potash, among the potash there is no reserves in India, so that we are completely importing. So fertilizer industries are located wherever these are available, nitrogenous fertilizers or phosphate fertilizers or ammonium phosphate, these are available. After the Green Revolution, we know that the industries expanded several other parts of the country like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Kerala contributes towards the half of the fertilizer production in our country. After the Green Revolution was introduced in India, there some other states also have started producing the fertilizer industries or fertilizer production in different parts of the country. Especially these are the states Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Kerala. So Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Bihar, Maharashtra, Assam, West Bengal, Goa, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka, these are other important states. After the production of fertilizer industries, we can find out almost many of the states in India. So there are significant production in fertilizer industry in different parts of the country, not concentrated in particular region of the country. Many states it is widely spread. Now coming to the cement industry, we know that this is very essential for the construction activity. Cement industry or cement is very important, especially for the construction of building or houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dams and other commercial establishment. We know how much important cement in the modern world. So that this industry requires bulky and heavy raw materials like limestone, silica, gypsum, coal and electric power are also needed apart from the rail transportation. So here very bulky materials are needed here, heavy raw materials are needed, limestone, silica and gypsum. These are very important for production of cement. So that wherever these materials or raw materials are available nearby these localities, cement industries are situated. Now coal and electric power are very important along with the rail transportation. After the production, the cement it has to be transported to different parts of our country, so that the transportation is very important. Electric power for the production of cement, coal and electric power are also important. So this industry or the cement industry has strategically located parts in Gujarat, which because it has a suitable access to the market in the Gulf countries. We know that West Asian countries or the Gulf countries, from Gujarat it is on the coast of Arabian Sea. Gujarat is located on the coast of the Arabian Sea. From there it is easy to transport towards the Gulf countries. So large concentration of cement industries can be found in Gujarat. The first cement plant in India was set up in Chennai in 1904. Tamil Nadu. Okay, so the first cement plant was set up in Chennai 1904. After independence, the industry has expanded also other regions or other states of our country also. Improvement in the quality has found the produce a readily available market in other countries also, because mainly very good quality of cement is produced here, so that there are markets in East Asia, Middle East, Africa and South Asia, apart from a large demand within the country also. India also has a huge demand for cement, and even best quality cement we are producing, so that we can export to other countries also. So this industry is doing well in terms of production as well as export. So production and export are doing well in the cement industry. So also efforts are made to generate adequate domestic demand and supply in order to sustain this industry. So government also promotes this industry, so that there is a domestic supply also. There is huge demand for domestic supply. That means within our country also there is huge demand for cement. So in the coming class we will study more about automobile industry and information technology and electronic industry.